So we had like a small scare at security. All right, so we're not going in.
I'm gonna leave the cave and go bring something home. Gonna go kill it, bring it home.
So this is like the craziest. It's Looney Tunes down here.
Going into the gum wall.
Things that make you go, only in Seattle. Okay, so supposedly should be able to get all this into packing cubes. I don't think that's gonna work. We shall see. So you're weighing yourself first. You're 180?
So he's 180.
Okay. Now hold the suitcase.
We'll just call it 236.
So 180, 236 minus 180.
It's 6 pounds over.
Uh-oh. What do you want to do?
Well, we're gonna have to take something. Like we're gonna have to figure out what is really necessary and what's not.
Yeah, I had a feeling she would overpack it, don't you?
This is our suitcase.
Oh,
This is yours.
ours. Well, your stuff's gonna have to go then, for
I
sure.
think that you must have put something in there that was too heavy.
Huh.
Yep. So we gotta figure out 6 pounds. We gotta minus 6 pounds.
I weighed it down.
How much does Evie weigh? Looks like she's not enjoying the process so much, but what do you think, Evie?
220 minus 180. 40 pounds.
40 pounds. Wow.
Well, apparently, it's very busy here at the airport. Yeah. Because the normal economy lot we would park in is completely full. So we had to pivot and we're in a different parking lot and they're parking people like on the grass over here. So very busy time of year, obviously, coming in to the airport. But quick travel tip that I will give you guys that I feel like that we have learned now doing a few more trips away from the RV than what we used to. That is when you are looking at airport parking, check to see what the economy options are, what's the daily rate, and then how long you're going to be gone. So like for this particular trip, we're going to be gone about 11 days. And so it's going to be cheaper for us to just park the car here at the airport and pay that daily rate fee than it would be if we got an Uber to and from. When we were gone for 2 weeks in Europe, that wasn't the case. It was actually cheaper to Uber than leave the car at the airport. So a couple of things to do. Just think about when you're traveling to make things the most cost effective. So ready to get our luggage?
And hang on, we're going on a holiday.
Going on a
Because
holiday.
nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
Look at this. Wait, what is Kenny doing? Sorry, Dad. Plan's getting sent back to the terminal.
Oh no, this is gonna be one.
Is it gonna roll? You know, travel days like this, whether you're in an RV or at an airport, are always a mix of excitement and logistics. And speaking of logistics, if you've ever tried to book an RV site near a major city or popular area, you know it can be a bit of a circus. And when you are RVing, one of the hardest logistics is booking that campsite, especially near popular areas like warmer climates in the winter. And that's why we wanted to share a quick update from our friends at RV, because they have made that part of RV life so much easier. With RV's new pay-as-you-go option, you don't need a membership. For just $5, you can get a 30-day scan that checks availability every 2 minutes. And if you want RV to auto-book that site the second it becomes available, yes, even while you're asleep or off adventuring, it's just $20 for the first night and $5 for each additional night, no subscription required. And of course, if you're a frequent traveler like us, the annual membership is still a great value. Either way, RV scans multiple booking systems from national parks to private campgrounds, saving you hours of refreshing tabs. They also offer a speed search hub where you can browse over 258,000 campsites across platforms like recreation.gov and Reserve America. And if your dream site is sold out, just turn on the sold out scan and let RV keep checking in booking. We've landed some incredible spots this way. Check it out at gratefulglamper.com/RV, and thanks to RV for sponsoring this video. So we had like a small scare at security, and at first we thought maybe somebody had grabbed Ben's carry-on, but they had just like sidelined it because he put the wrong size shaving cream in it. Too big. Can't.
Again, I've never seen that stuff in my life.
Jimbo?
The funny thing is this is literally the second time that this has happened where his shaving cream got confiscated because he brought the wrong size one that was too big. So
Because it was already in there from the RV, where it's like in the RV you don't need like a limit.
gotta remember to check your stuff, people. I still feel like it's in motion.
I'm gonna leave the cave and go bring something home. Gonna go kill it, bring it home.
I'll have you know I have the reflexes of a cat and the speed of a mongoose.
The family has asked me to go pick up some items from this bakery over here. Guess they have Saint Tropez and all kinds of. They texted me a list of things and said, go get it, bring it back. So that's what I'm going to do. Everything's under construction around here. Boy, oh boy, it's cold here. Good thing I'm getting steps in so I can earn these pastries. Whoops. Somebody dropped their paint. It's not good. Oh, geez. I don't know where they dropped it from. Things that make you go, only in Seattle. Only in Seattle, folks. Okay, so you know this is a good place when there's a lot of people in a line. Oh, yeah. All right, I bring treats.
Yes.
Look at this. Are you ready?
Yep. I thought the box was gonna be bigger.
Should have gotten more.
I don't know, but this looks amazing.
Yeah. It is good.
How's that croissant? Is it good?
It's good.
Yeah? Chocolate croissant?
Yes, I think so. This is
Alright.
the chocolate one, right?
Yes. All right. Better than Paris or no?
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, better
Yeah. All right.
Well, good morning from Seattle. It is very interesting because when we left Florida, it was, it's the end of July, right? So 90-ish degrees. And right now it is 58 degrees here in downtown Seattle. So it's definitely a little bit of a shock to the system. Got my hoodie on and we're headed down to the Museum of Pop Culture to see if we can recreate some fun photos from the last time we were here. And then after that, I looked up something that is one of the most unique things, weird things I think I've seen that is actually considered like a tourist attraction or whatever. So we'll take you down there next. And you guys are gonna, you have to just let me know in the comments once we get there what you think about it. So there's like some sort of festival going on, so there's really loud music. But this is the Museum of Pop Culture. It's so obviously like with the mirrored everything, really good photo ops. And I'll tell you more later because the music's a little loud.
2, 1. Oh, we jumped one more time. 3, 2, 1.
Lots of interesting buildings down here, and I still don't know what to make of them. Like, are they supposed to be something? Are they supposed to like elicit some sort of emotion?
There's a Matthew's out there.
They had these at EA Sports when we went.
A little uncertain.
Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna try that.
Oh, you didn't go all the way. This is like the craziest. It's Looney Tunes down here. But there's something called the gum wall where everybody puts their gum. We're gonna go look for it.
I don't.
Get on the pig. Get, you hop on the pig, right? Sorry about this.
There's too many people.
Going into the gum wall. Alright, look at that. Part of it. Oh my goodness gracious. Alright. So you just kind of stick your gum to the wall and try not to touch any of the other ones. Ew. Alright, you want your picture next to it, Trin? Oh, that's some stringy gum.
So right back here, these are known as the Amazon spheres. Fun little place to check out if you're in the downtown Seattle area. So we're gonna actually try to go inside. It's like actually like an indoor botanical garden thing. So, you know, pretty
Let's
cool.
find out what's in there.
Access denied.
Thor, son of Odin.
Access denied.
All right, so we're not going in. Evidently, it's not open to the public except for the first and third Saturdays of the month. It's
And-
the fourth Saturday.
Oh, I was gonna say, guess what? Saturday.
Yeah, of course. I mean, you know, like we're down here because we're down here just having fun exploring. So anyway, note, if you want to go visit this, you do need reservations first and third Saturday.
Yeah.
So, but if you're a
Or-
badged Amazon employee, you can get in Monday through Friday. But that's not us. We're not that special.
Alright, gotcha. Got it. This is the line to get into the Starbucks right over there. Crazy busy.
So we are here at the very first Starbucks that ever was. So we're gonna grab a coffee because it's the first one that ever was. Right here.
Beanos.
This is flippin' amazing! Oh my gosh, you guys.
Alright, so the go-karts are closed for now because it's raining outside.
We made
49
it.
steak, guys. We did it.
Yeah, I'll take this one. What in the world?
We're still on the Canada side. Haven't crossed over to the American side yet. Business of getting in and out of the boat on the rudimentary ladder is not sketch at all.